What's up, y'all? It's your Vivian, aka Curly Rose. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, how I prep them, how I pluck them, how I get them snatched. I mean, it's been quite a long time. I've been saving my brows for you guys, for you. They've really been looking a mess for just entirely too long. But I wanted to get this video out and I finally did it. And they're finally clean and they look good. Okay. Anyway, now that we got through that dramaticness, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely make sure you comment so I know that you watched it. Don't just like or subscribe. And your girl is done with this intro. So let's just go ahead and get into how I snatch these brows, because I really don't do a lot. Seriously, I like a more natural eyebrow look, so yeah, enjoy. What's up, y'all? I'm back and I'm looking crusty, so yeah, my eyebrows look a mess. You're gonna need three things, three of them, uno, dos, tres, a mirror, excuse me, and a spoolie and a, what is this, tweezers? Yeah. So the first thing I do, because like I said, I like a natural brow, like I said in the intro, I just kind of carve out where the excess hairs are with the spoolie. I know how I want my eyebrows to be shaped, so it's kind of like you gotta kind of figure it out. There's been a lot of over plucking over the years, so I kind of know where I want my eyebrows to stop, and yes, that hurt like hell. On a scale from 1 to 10, it's a good, I want to say 5, 6 as far as the pain level plucking, but basically that's all I do. I just go out and pluck my excess hairs around my eyebrows, and I just keep fluffing them back up, combing in with the spoolie, just seeing how I like it. And I do use not just the small mirror but a bigger mirror as well, because when you're up close a lot you can over pluck, and then when you're not close enough sometimes you can pluck the wrong areas. So make sure you have like a big mirror and a small mirror, and just what? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Just look at both mirrors while you're like plucking your eyebrows periodically, because you don't want to be looking a mess. Period. So after a million years, this is the final result of one brow. As you can see, it's still fluffy. You know, I'm not looking a little sparse. It could use some work. I'm still growing my eyebrows out, but that cleanup is definitely something serious. And I'm just at this moment just perfecting, trying to see. You see, that looks atrocious, and that's just flawless. We just fire over here. I mean, what do you want? Look at those brows, or that one brow that's done. The other one still looks a mess. Anyway, but so my camera didn't record the part of me cleaning up my right eyebrow, so I'm just gonna show you guys the left one. I kind of worked on both, and then it's a long story. But anyway, so I don't know what brush this is. It's a Morphe brush. I'll leave it down below, and I'm using a Colourpop concealer, which will also be down below. And I basically just coat both sides of the brush, and then I just lightly go in and carve out my brow. Now, sometimes I have good brow days, sometimes I don't. This brow that I'm working on, the end, the way I carved it didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but it is what it is. Like, they're not going to be perfect. They're sisters, they're not twins. I'm over it, who cares? But basically, just figure out what excuse me, I can't even talk. Just figure out what works best for you. And once I finish carving them out, I just kind of drag the concealer down, and I use the concealer as my base for eyeshadow. And sometimes even without eyeshadow, I just do that just because my eyelids are darker. And now I'm just using another Morphe brush. This is the same brush I always use to buff out my concealer on the lid and the under eye. And I also leave it down below, but I'm just buffing the concealer in. I don't want it to look as if my eyebrows are kind of like, filled in. I kind of want more of a natural look, but I also want my eyebrows to be a little sharp and stand out. So I kind of just buff out the edges a little bit. I don't like the tail to be too sharp because it looks to me like a fake brow and not a natural brow. And that's really basically it on it. And then the last step I'm about to do in just a sec. So the last thing I do is I just get my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I can't use anything else right now. This is the only thing that really works for me. And it does smell like really strong glue because it is glue that's in it, but it really does hold my brows all day. And that's it, and we done. Okay, y'all, so you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I keep saying video, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you follow me down below and make sure you subscribe for more content. I do have another video coming soon. So anyway, make sure you guys stay tuned, put on your post notifications if I can speak today. Don't forget to turn on the bell basically, and okay, I gotta go. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.